Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another battle of boxes. This time we are going to see which one is better between the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June versus Boxycharm Premium for the month of June. There is a slightly difference on price because Boxycharm Premium retails for $35 per month and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus retails for $25 per month. But there is a similarity between them because both of them, they are the middle layer of subscription. So we are like in the same range category, just the Glam Bag Plus has 5 full-size products and you are able to customize 3, and Boxycharm Premium has 6 full-size products but you are able to customize only 2, which is strange. Yeah, I thought that maybe they can upgrade this to customize at least 3 if they want people to keep their subscription, because I was really thinking to suspend my premium box when the actual reveal what it will be in the July Boxycharm Premium Box made me to change my mind. It will be a ABH and Norvina fully curated box, so spoiler in case that you don't know that. So yeah, those are US-based subscriptions, both ship to US and Canada. Actually, Ipsy doesn't ship to Canada the Glam Bag Plus, they only ship the Glam Bag regular one that retails for $12. But if you are like me and you cannot access any of those boxes or bags and you want to get them, you can use a shipping forwarding company. I live in Europe, so I wanted to enjoy US dream, so I'm having those for almost half an year. So if you want more details, you can check my description box. I have 2 of the companies that I have been working with and I do recommend. I'm going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. I've already pulled out the bag. First I want to show you what I got in the Refreshments, because Ipsy also has a refreshment subscription, so if you want to do that, it will also come every month, or if you want, you can do it every 2nd month, every 3 months, you can skip it and so on. So I decided to get mine every 2nd month. So I got the refill for the razor that I got 2 months ago. It's not very exciting, but I want to show those cartridges. So yeah, now I have 2 more. I only used 1. I have 1 more backup from the previous bag and now another 3 backups. I think I'm set because I don't go so often through 1 cartridge, and those guys are really sharpy. I want to tell you, they are doing a really good job. Now for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus itself for the month of June. So it looks like this, and you have here lipsticks, mascara. So the theme is have fun, love, yes, OMG. Actually love the bag, and it's surprising they sent me another bag for the Refreshments in the same size. So soon I will have so many bags that I will not have what to do with them. Sadly, Ipsy doesn't give you a leaflet with the products to see the prices and description, but you can access them in your account on Ipsy with everything, because they will send you before every month after you customize. And today it's July 2nd when I'm shooting, so today is the customization day for Glam Bag Plus. I think for Glam Bag it's earlier. I just picked up 1 add-on. I didn't want to clutter too much, but I have seen they have the Professional from Benefit Super Setter sprayer, so I was interested to try it. Actually, I haven't tried this one, so let's do it now. I think this it will be really good for travel, so I don't see any difference. I don't know if it will make my pore look smaller, but yeah, it's nice and it has a cucumber scent. So this add-on cost me an additional $3. Then I picked up this set of brushes that are by the brand MOTD. So they are pink brushes. I'm not even sure if I'm going to open them because I'm literally swimming in brushes, so I might keep them for a upcoming giveaway, so that's the reason I don't take them out. But they are nice and they have pink handles, so my daughter will be all about them, so maybe I'll keep them for her when she will be bigger. Then I got the Tarte C Hydro Concealer. I have mine in the shade 20B Light Beige, and it's a bit dark for me. I have used it today with a lighter foundation, unfortunately, that I'm going to show you, but I like it. It sinks immediately into the skin and it glides on like a dream. So now I'm also willing to try their foundation or their tinted moisturizer, I think from the same range, DC. That's the stuff that everybody raves about. It has, how to say, surpassed the Fenty Beauty skin tint stuff. So yeah, really happy about that. I'm happy to try more products from Tarte. And the third option that I choose is the Good Vibes Mascara, Curler Plus Lash and Enhancing Mascara. Okay, this one I haven't tried today because I'm wearing another lashes. I'm actually wearing the Maxi lashes that I got in my Boxycharm Luxe box. So yeah, this is what I have today, and I already see that one of the corner is lifted up. But stay tuned because I have a try on about those lashes. And this is a mascara that is in this part, and it has a curler, so you have to push it or pull it, so you can use this to curl your lashes. This is quite small, so I'm not sure how handy it will be. If you have this product, guys, please let me know if it is gimmicky or not. Now into the products they have chosen for us. I even haven't opened this. This is the Vise Art Petit Pro 2 palette. I have another Petit Pro palette from Vise Art, so I'm really chuffed that I got this one. And it has a really burgundy, not burgundy, it's like a orange brick. Yeah, this is the word. Packaging, really nice. And let's see the shades. Oh, one of the shades came a bit torn. So yeah, from this reason, I'm not going to open it. I will try to save it and press it before actually open it, but I love the color scheme. It's really nice and warm, summer appropriate, but you also have a cool row on the top, or cooler row, so if you want to have more cool shadows. I'm not going to torture you guys more to blinding you, but yeah. And another product they have picked up for me is the Ahava Time to Hydrate Active Moisture Gel Cream. So this is probably for your skin, and it has 75 ml, so this is a lot of product to begin with your face. Yeah, this is everything I got from Ipsy on my glam bag June. So a lash curler and a mascara, a set of brushes, a tiny palette from Vise Art, a concealer from Tarte, and a full size face cream, which is more than full size. So you will have the total up here on the screen, minus the add-on and minus the refreshments. And now let's go and see what we have inside the Boxycharm Premium for the month of June. I will start with what they choose for me. I got this Skin Regimen 1.85 AHA booster. Oh wait, we have a leaflet here. So yeah, this is the actual leaflet, and the theme is the Dare to Dazzle. Luckily this leaflet is clean. My variant is 2 for free. I will put the number on the screen. So this product is by Skin Regimen 1.85 AHA Booster, a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro and cross-linked, to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels and restore optimal levels of hydration. So this retails for $115, guys. This is like third time of the price of the box. I'm not going to open it, but probably it will be soon in my rotation. I just wait to come back from vacation because I'm planning to use some of my minis and travel size. So for this reason, I stay away from full size products. And this has a shelf life. Do you have here? 6 months, of course, yeah, because I can understand why. So yeah, first product is a lucky one. Then I have, what is this? This is the Earth Harbor Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. I think I have seen someone getting this one, and another Earth Harbor product that I got. So I have one in Luxe box. So this retails for $26, and I never had a body serum, so really interesting. It looks like this. And how much we get? 60 mils. Look at this company. It's all the good stuff like plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, leaping bunny certified, and has also 6 months shelf time. It contains pure botanical oils including blue yarrow, which I have no idea what it is, marine algae, coconut, rosehip, and geranium blossoms. So yeah, I don't want to spend too much time reading, just I wanted to give you some info about the ingredients. The next product is a eye cream by the brand May Peel M, I suppose. Eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. I already like what I'm reading. This eye cream contains quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C to help reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, and retails for $39. So this has probably 15 mils. Yeah, 0.5 fluid ounces. And the next three products, I got this Zoeva Pure Velours Lip Natural Aesthetic in the shade Natural Aesthetic. Yeah, so I have tried this prior on my lips, but then I just noticed that it's not working with my eye look. It's really a warm tone, so I remove it and I have applied another lip combination. So this retails for $15, and it's a long-lasting cream lipstick. Maybe I will give it a swatch. This is how the applicator looks like. I never had a Zoeva product. Actually, it's really creamy, so I cannot tell you if it is long lasting because I just put it and remove it before it actually settles. I just wanted to show you that the Zoeva lipstick, it is a bit smudging. And the last two products is the Natasha Denona. This is a matte foundation, Transformate Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation, that I got it in the shade 5N Fair Neutral. So this is the outer packaging, and this is the actual foundation. It's coming with a pump. I've tried it today. On this side I've applied with a brush, and I really don't like how it applies with the brush. Being a matte foundation, it's more recommended to use a, or at least in my case, because I have pores, it's recommended to use a beauty sponge. So on the left side I have used a beauty blender, and I like more the actual finish. But I love how my face looks. It looks really nice and matte. I have set everything with my Catrice Mineral Loose Powder, the True Skin one, and everything looks natural. The shade is a bit light for me as I am a little bit self-tanned now, but I think it will be a good match for the winter. So this retails for $45, guys. A medium to full coverage modern matte liquid luxe foundation that blurs pores, smooths an even texture, and protects your skin from environmental damage. So I'm really happy to have a base product from Natasha Denona. And also, yeah, I wanted to tell you that it's really lightweight, liquidy consistent, so it's not heavy and doesn't cake up. I need to close and restart my camera because after filming 20 minutes it will automatically shut down. So yeah, really happy for this. This was one of my choices. And the last product that I choose, I'm a bit like, I'm now regretting that I choose it because I have too many eyeshadow palettes, but I don't have anything from Dominique Cosmetics. So this is the Transition palette that retails for $48. As you can tell, the pan size is really nice, and you have a full spectrum of neutral shades. I know some people that would really love to have this kind of neutral palette. Maybe I will keep it, I don't know. If I am not getting any other palette from Dominique Cosmetics, I will probably keep it, but yeah, this is as of now. And this was my choice, guys, so I cannot blame Boxycharm about this palette, but I didn't know that it will be so big and bulky. I try to stay away from very big palettes. This is all I got. So I have a full-size eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, liquid lipstick, a hyaluronic acid, a body serum, a face cream, and a foundation. So it's like 50-50 skincare and makeup. I would rather prefer, like other people said, to get more makeup and little skincare. So from this reason, I'm thinking that probably I will cancel or I will postpone, but you cannot postpone, you need to cancel and resubscribe to Premium, because I'm getting way too much skincare that I'm not able to use it on the time. So from this reason, yeah, this might be one of, not because I have another one that is coming in July, so this might be one of my last Boxycharm Premium Boxes, at least for now. But yeah, this is the total value for my Boxycharm Premium, so let me know what do you think. I think the value is bigger, but what value I'm getting from this, I think I'm excited for both bags in their own way. I love what I got in Ipsy because I have the small palette that it's easy to travel with. I just need to press the shadow. I got a concealer that could have been a shade lighter. I think the value is there. I think I get my money worth for sure. But now it's your turn to let me know what is your favorite bag or box. I think mine, it should be Ipsy. Even the value is less. Even though I have the Natasha Denona foundation that I really love and is my favorite product from the Boxycharm Premium for this month. And probably the next favorite, it will be the serum, the hyaluronic serum that I'm about to use it after vacation. So yeah, this is everything for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please let me know if you are getting any of those boxes, and if you did so, what you have got on this month. And other than that, stay tuned for more unboxings, reviews, makeup tutorials and more. Have a great, blessed day ahead. Happy 4th of July if this video goes up on the 4th of July, or after that. I hope you'll have a wonderful celebration with your friends and family, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye guys!